Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create a vendor credit in Zoho Books. First, log into your Zoho Books account and navigate to the dashboard. Next, click on the Purchases tab. Under this section, select Vendor Credits to view any existing credits. To create a new vendor credit, click the Create Vendor Credit button. This will open a form where you can enter all the necessary details. Start with the vendor name, followed by the credit note number, which serves as a unique identifier for the transaction. Next, add the order number to link the credit to a specific purchase, the vendor credit date, and a subject to describe the reason for the credit. Then enter the item details, including the items or services the credit applies to, along with quantities and rates. Once you've reviewed all the information, click Save as Open to finalize the vendor credit, and that's it. You've successfully created a vendor credit in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.